Second Standard English. Hi kids, hope you all fine. Today we are going to see first lesson, our sweet home. What is home? A house in which we live with our family. Who are all in our family? Father, mother, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather, uncle and aunt. Tell me, what are the rooms in our home? Bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and living room. Look at the picture carefully. What are the things in our rooms? First, in bedroom, the things are lamp, pillow, cot, clock, cupboard, and cradle. Next is living room. The things are door, chair, television, window and sofa. Next is bathroom. The things are towel, tap, bucket, mug, brush, soap, mirror and wash basin. Next in kitchen, the things are sink, stove, mixie, dustbin and grinder. Next we move to the poem up and down. Left hand up, right hand down and walk round and round. Right hand up, left hand down and walk round and round. Left leg front, right leg back and run round and round. Right leg front, left leg back and run round and round. We go up, we go down and shake it all around. We go up, we go down and shake it all around. Hope you all enjoy this poem. You also can learn this poem by doing action, by raising your left and right hands up and down and moving your legs front and back. Next we move to the small story, too big, too small. What is too big and too small? You kids are too small to do some things and too big to do some things. I know you are confused. To understand this, we move to the story. The boy named Mano is too small and too big. Come, we go to the story. I can't lift you up, Mano, says Mom. You are too big. You can't walk to school alone, Mano, says Dad. You are too small. What did his mom say? Mom is saying that she can't able to lift in her arms because he is too big. Whether your mom can lift you now? No, because you are grown up kid. What did his dad say? Dad is saying that children can't go to school alone. Do you go to school alone? No. You can't sleep in the cradle, Mano, says Grandpa. You are too big. You can't carry the baby to the park, Mano, says Grandma. You are too small. What did his grandpa say? Grandpa is saying that he can't sleep in the cradle because he is too big. Cradle means totil. Do you sleep in cradle now? No. What did grandma say? Grandma is saying that he can't carry baby to the park because he is too small. Mano is confused. Too big, too small. How can he be both? He is too big to wear his old shirt. He is very small to make dosa. He is big to climb on his grandpa's shoulder. He is too small to carry his baby. Then what is his right size? Mano wonders. Mom smiles and says that he is very small to go to school alone, and his dad says he is very big to carry on his shoulders. and Grandpa says he is very small to take him for morning walks, and Grandma says he is very big to tell stories, and everyone says that he will be the perfect size for their hug, and at last everyone gave him a warm and wonderful hug. Hope you like this story.